In this video, we're going to go through how to add lead capture fields at different points throughout a video. So in this example, I want to include a lead capture form about a minute and a half into the video that asks for first name, last name, and email. And then a little bit later in the video, I want to ask for mobile phone number. You could do this with any number of lead fields. This example specifically is going to show how to do this with first name, last name, email, and phone number, and separating those out into different places. So the first thing that I'm going to do is under Customize Lead Capture, I'm going to set up the lead capture fields that I want to create during this video. So I'm going to ask for email, first name, last name, and phone number at some point throughout this video. And I'm going to require first name, last name, and email. I'm also going to require phone number, but I will do not check the box required here because I'm going to put phone number somewhere else. But I do need to set up that I'm going to ask for phone number, and then next to phone number, there's a little edit icon. When I click on this edit icon, it pops up and there's a checkbox here for hidden fields. I'm going to say hide this field always. So I don't actually want phone number to appear on the lead capture form. I want it to appear later in the video, but I have to set it up on the lead capture form to tell this video that we are going to ask for phone number at some point during the video, and so it's going to be a hidden field on the lead capture form. So I check this box, hide the field always, and then save it. So now I've got first name, last name, email, and phone number is a hidden field on this form, and so I need to add it somewhere else. And that somewhere else is going to be using a question. So this video is set up as a video survey. This would also work under video quiz. And to add this phone number, to ask for phone number, I'm going to create a question later in the video that asks for phone number. So I went to create questions, and then there's a question here that I've set up, and the question type is question lead. So of all the question types, you have multiple choice questions, you have a bunch of different question types, but down at the bottom there's a question type that says question lead. What that means is if you are going to ask for a lead capture field that you have on the lead capture form, but you want to ask for it at a different point of the video other than the same time that the lead capture form is going to appear, then you use this question type. So I've got question lead is my question type. The question text, I'm going to say enter your mobile phone number because that's specifically what I'm asking for. Then I'm going to check the box require an answer for this question. So I mentioned earlier that I did not check required under the lead capture area for the phone number. I am requiring it here, so ultimately phone number is required. It's just not required at the time that the other lead capture fields appear. It is required now at this time, and this time I've set it up to appear at 2 minutes and 31 seconds into the video. So I set this question to come in at 2 minutes and 31 seconds. If I wanted to edit that, I could click there, type the time in, click OK, and then I had it stop at 2 minutes and 34 seconds. And when I check require an answer, the video is going to pause at 2 minutes and 34 seconds, which in this video is right after the person speaking says enter your mobile phone number. The video will stop at that point, and they have to enter in a phone number in order to continue. So it's required. They'll enter it to be able to continue. And then here you select the lead field. This is why you had to set up earlier the phone field, because now if I click here, it shows me that I can ask for email, first name, last name, or phone within this question. So I'm going to have the data that they enter into the answer to this question go into the lead capture field phone. So that's how I would set up this question. Question lead, question type, put in the text that you want to appear on that question, and then select the field, and in this case that is phone, and then I save that. And now I have a lead capture form that's going to be earlier in the video, about 1 minute and 42 seconds, I think, is where the lead capture form is going to appear. And then later in the video, at 2 minutes and 31 seconds, it's from 2:31 to 2:34, a question will pop up that says enter your mobile phone number, and that will complete all of the fields that I want to ask for in this video. So let's take a quick look at what this looks like in the video itself. So I'm on the microsite page here. This is just a test microsite page. I'll be embedding this video in a different page, but on this microsite page, right here is 1 minute and 42 seconds into the video. It's asking for those first three fields: first name, last name, and email. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple of test information and click submit. So first name, last name, email, click submit, and then it's going to go on, and I'm going to skip ahead to the point in the video that I asked for mobile phone number. And you can see here at 2 minutes and 34 seconds is where the phone number is appearing, or asking for the phone number, and it's pausing the video. I'm required to answer in order to continue. One other quick note is if I try and enter in, like, let's say I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's not long enough to be an actual phone number, and I hit continue, it's going to tell me that's invalid information and I've got to enter the rest of my phone number. So let's say 555-444-3333. That's long enough to be a phone number. I hit continue, and it collects that data, and now the lead has captured first name, last name, email, and then later in the video, phone number.